Tonight, we're going out front with a story shaking up technology and finance. SoftBank Group, the Japanese investment powerhouse, has made a monumental bet on OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT. This isn't just another investment, it's a defining move that signals a dramatic new chapter for SoftBank. The company is staking its future on the belief that artificial intelligence is the foundation of the next industrial revolution. After some high-profile missteps, the market was watching closely. Now, Son's next big play is clear, a massive, concentrated investment in the leader of the AI race. By pouring billions into OpenAI, SoftBank is repositioning itself at the epicenter of the most important technological shift of our generation. This deal validates OpenAI's astronomical valuation and signals to the market that the AI boom is just beginning. For SoftBank, it's a calculated risk to align its destiny with a company that could redefine industries from healthcare to entertainment. Ultimately, this is about conviction. Masayoshi Son's unwavering belief that AI will transform society and secure SoftBank's legacy. Let's break down the numbers behind this blockbuster deal. In December 2025, SoftBank executed a forward purchase of OpenAI equity for $22.5 billion. This single transaction became one of the largest private tech investments in history. SoftBank made this move at a $300 billion post-money valuation for OpenAI, already making it one of the world's most valuable private companies. Since then, OpenAI's valuation has soared to $500 billion, a nearly 67% increase. That rapid appreciation means SoftBank's paper gains are massive. The December investment followed a smaller $1.45 billion infusion in October, showing a deliberate, phased approach. SoftBank strategically built its stake over time, culminating in the late December mega deal. This methodical accumulation is a hallmark of a sophisticated long-term investor. The numbers reveal just how high the stakes and the potential rewards really are. How do these valuation jumps translate into profit for SoftBank? The 67% increase in OpenAI's valuation on SoftBank's $22.5 billion investment means a gross unrealized gain of about $15 billion for the quarter. Most of this gain is recorded within SoftBank Vision Fund 2, with 83% attributed to SoftBank shareholders. After accounting for previously recognized gains, the net new impact is $445 billion added to SoftBank's value this quarter. This is the number analysts are watching, a direct result of buying into OpenAI at one valuation and seeing the market re-rate it almost immediately. It's a powerful demonstration of how betting correctly on tech valuations can generate immense paper wealth in a short time. For SoftBank, these gains are more than numbers. They're a validation of its high-stakes strategy. The company's financial health is now closely tied to OpenAI's continued rise. This is the new engine driving SoftBank's fortunes. To grasp the impact of the OpenAI deal, we need to understand net asset value, or NAV. NAV is the total value of a company's assets minus its liabilities, essentially its net worth. For SoftBank, assets are stakes in companies like ARM and OpenAI. Liabilities are debts. A successful investment like OpenAI directly increases SoftBank's NAV, making the company fundamentally more valuable. The $445 billion net equity increase feeds straight into SoftBank's NAV, now estimated at $189 billion. This not only adds billions, but also upgrades the quality of SoftBank's portfolio, anchoring it in the world's most exciting growth sector. NAV gives investors a clear, stable measure of value creation beyond daily stock price swings. The higher the NAV, the stronger SoftBank's position for future growth. This investment has dramatically reshaped SoftBank's portfolio, making it more concentrated and more leveraged to AI than ever before. OpenAI is now SoftBank's single most significant asset, valued at nearly $55 billion. That's about 30% of SoftBank's entire NAV. Nearly a third of this global giant's value is now tied to one private company, a thrilling but risky level of concentration. This marks a strategic pivot. SoftBank is betting big on AI, with OpenAI as its crown jewel. The company's future is now closely linked to OpenAI's trajectory. For investors, SoftBank is no longer just a tech conglomerate. It's a primary vehicle for investing in the AI revolution. Every development at OpenAI will have a direct impact on SoftBank's bottom line. The stakes have never been higher. To appreciate SoftBank's boldness, let's compare its OpenAI strategy to Microsoft's. Microsoft's relationship with OpenAI is a strategic partnership, providing cloud resources and integrating AI into its products. For Microsoft, OpenAI is a small part of a trillion-dollar business, representing less than 5% of its value. SoftBank, in contrast, is making a pure financial bet. Its OpenAI stake is 30% of its NAV. This makes SoftBank far more sensitive to changes in OpenAI's valuation. A big jump in OpenAI's value moves the needle for SoftBank, but barely registers for Microsoft. Conversely, any downturn in OpenAI would hit SoftBank much harder. Microsoft uses OpenAI to enhance its core businesses. SoftBank is betting on capital appreciation. Both strategies could succeed, but SoftBank's is riskier and potentially more rewarding. It's a high-stakes game, with SoftBank all in on the future of AI. At the heart of this deal is Masayoshi Son, SoftBank's founder and CEO. This is classic Masa: immense scale, unwavering conviction, and a willingness to take risks others wouldn't dare. For years, Son has championed the coming age of AI. This $22.5 billion bet is the ultimate expression of that vision. After past stumbles, the OpenAI deal is his answer to critics, reasserting SoftBank's leadership in tech innovation. Son's personal stake in the Vision Fund aligns his interests with shareholders, tying his legacy to OpenAI's success. This investment fits Son's history of bold bets, like his early stake in Alibaba. For Son, it's not just about profit. It's about being on the right side of history. He's betting that decades from now, this will be seen as the moment AI's true value was recognized, and SoftBank led the charge. Wall Street's reaction? Overwhelmingly positive. The OpenAI investment has shifted the SoftBank narrative from past missteps to future potential. Analysts see it as transformative, adding billions in value and providing a clear catalyst for growth. BTIG and others have reaffirmed their buy ratings, citing the $4.45 billion NAV boost as a concrete reason for optimism. The deal gives SoftBank a blue-chip position in AI and offers public investors rare exposure to OpenAI. Of course, there's concentration risk, but for now, the potential reward outweighs it. Masayoshi Son has steered SoftBank into the center of the AI revolution. The verdict: SoftBank's bold bet has paid off, recasting it as an indispensable player in the age of AI. Looking ahead, the OpenAI investment sets a clear course for SoftBank. The company's mission: maximize the value of its crown jewel while building an ecosystem of AI-powered companies. The OpenAI stake is now the hub of SoftBank's strategy. The eventual OpenAI IPO could turn paper gains into cash, fueling new investments and returns to shareholders. Investors will watch OpenAI's valuation, the competitive landscape, and SoftBank's next moves closely. This $22.5 billion bet is more than an investment. It's a refounding of SoftBank around AI. The world now watches to see how this audacious gambit will play out in the dawning age of AI.